You should watch this video if you want to connect your Louvolite One Touch dual motor with the Louvolite Home Hub. The video will guide you through setting up your Home Hub using your One Touch app, including how to connect to Wi-Fi, pair your motor, set or update your limits on your Louvolite One Touch motor.
Here's a guide on how to connect your Louvolite One Touch Home Hub. We'll show you how to set up your Home Hub using the One Touch app, including connecting to your Wi-Fi, and how to pair, set and operate limits on your motorised blind. Before we go into the setup process, make sure you've downloaded the Louvolite One Touch app from the Apple or Android App Store and create an account using a valid email address. Also, ensure you're connected to your Wi-Fi. Now let's get on to setting the Home Hub. Now we have access to the app, we can begin the Smart Hub setup. On the home screen of the app, we'll click the Add Device button in the middle, then tap the Smart Hub icon at the bottom to add the device manually. Now we can plug the Home Hub in using the USB-C adapter and plug provided. Once the light stops flashing on the hub, click Next, and then press and hold the P1 button on the back of the hub for 6 seconds. The indicator light will turn blue and start to blink, so tick the checkbox on the app and click Next. Hit Next again and we'll connect to the hub's hotspot. We're looking to connect to Smart Life followed by 4 numbers. Once selected, return to the One Touch app and wait for the device to connect. Once connected, you can click Done and the Smart Hub's home screen will open. Now we'll pair our motorised blind to the Smart Hub. Start by putting your motor into Smart Hub pairing mode. You can do this via the motorhead. Press and hold the button on the motorhead for 2 seconds, the blind will jog, then press the button again 3 times and the light will flash blue to indicate it's in pairing mode. You can also do this via the One Touch remote. Press Program on the back of the remote, the blind jogs, press down and the blind jogs, and press Program again and the blind will jog and flash blue. On the Smart Hub homepage, click the Add Device button at the bottom, select the Bi-Directional Equipment option, and the app will automatically search for the motor and will be added shortly after. Once added, you can press Done and the motor will now appear on the Smart Hub and app home screen. There's a chance that your motorised blind will already have its limits set on installation, so if I press the down arrow on the display, the motor should head to its bottom limit, and then the top limit if I press the up arrow. If you wish to reset the blind and set limits yourself, we'll quickly show you how to delete the preset limits on the blind. Click the 3 dots in the bottom right of the display and then we'll click on the Limit Setting tab. From here, go through the upper, lower and favourite limit and click Delete on each of them. You will get a prompt to say each limit has been deleted. Now we can set our upper limit. Send the blind to the top using the arrows either side of the Play, Pause button. The blind will run continuous, so press pause once the blind is near the top. And then press the arrows underneath to jog it into position. Once happy, press confirm, the blind will jog and the upper limit is set. Now send the blind to the bottom and we'll set our lower limit. Again, press pause when the blind gets to the bottom and jog it into the desired position. Press confirm, the blind jogs and the lower limit is set. To set a favourite position, send the blind anywhere between your upper and lower limit. In this case, we'll set the blind halfway in the recess. Press pause again and jog into position. And once happy, press the confirm button and the favourite position is set. Now we'll send the blind up, and to operate the favourite position, press the heart button in the bottom left of the display, and the blind will run to this position. Now the blind is set, we can run through some customization options on the app. First, we'll customize the control interface of the blind. Select the blind you wish to customize and press the 3 dots in the bottom right corner. Click the Apply To option and you have access to different background displays and colours for the blind display. To change the motor name, click the pen icon in the top right corner and then do the same again. Now you can click on Name and give the blind a new title. On the same page, if we click the icon button, we have the option to change the image at the top of the display. Click Take Photo and you can take a step back from the blind and take an image. This will now change the icon at the top. You can also do this by clicking the Select from Album option, and you can choose an image from your phone's gallery. Finally, we can add the location of the motor to different rooms. Click the Location button at the bottom, and you can choose which room the blind is in, such as the living room, bedroom, or kitchen. So, if we go to the home page, you'll see the paired blinds on the All Devices tab, but if you scroll across, you'll see the blind we just paired is in the living room tab also. These are all the tips and tricks you'll need when setting up your Louvolite One Touch Home Hub. Keep an eye out for more Louvolite guides where we'll show you how to integrate your motorised blind into your smart home and pair with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more.
If you're interested in Louvolite One Touch dual motors or any of the other products we offer at Blind Designs, please visit our website at blinddesigns.co.za. To find one of our distributors, go to our website and click on Find Distributor tab to locate the one closest to you. We proudly serve all of South Africa and the Greater Southern African region. I'm Patrick, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.